Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will introduce the extremely dangerous and amazing skills of big truck drivers. Witness the raw power and professional controls that redefine the profession of heavy vehicle driving. Let's get started. This truck will be equipped with muddy water. Wow, he really solved the problem fairly. This truck is barreling through the dirt road like it's just another highway. The wheels are struggling, but somehow it keeps moving forward. How does the rear of the tractor reduce the golden rule? Always place the machine on a non-slip surface. Otherwise, such disasters are pre-programmed. Oh my God, absolute chaos. The car flipped over and leaned to one side. The crane pulled it up, but the back collapsed. You can feel the power of the machine. See how easily he climbs out of the ditch. What kind of machine does he pull? So smooth, no wheels spinning. Dramatic, no crazy speed, just common sense and experience. Oh my God, so dangerous. The car lost one wheel and he still decided to drive on the dangerous road. I really can't understand what he was thinking. Luckily, the thing didn't tip over, but you can bet everyone in the area just had a heart attack. A heart attack because the car was moving at such a high altitude, it could fall at any moment. Backing up without braking a 70% gradient looks like a very easy machine. But an impressive demonstration of control and weight, he moves very smoothly and he goes, oh my. This is a real truck with reliable high power. He has been hauling logs for years on rough roads and terrain, impassable to a real pack horse. The skater, that was a stupid mistake. Anyone could see that coming here is called putting the truck bed in the air. This could be a daring move or a complete panic. Pretty sure the crew just felt both. Logging from the forest is never easy. No matter what method you apply, the terrain is always an obstacle and a challenge. If you like our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to receive more interesting new content. Your support fuels our creative fire. Easily, the tractor is pulled like a real monster. Imagine the raw power needed to pull a truck out of the river. Interesting respect for all that you are. Witness the relentless struggle of the car in the snow. You can feel the tension, literally feel it, because of the group of people working hard to make everything right. 600,000 people. Wow, he really solved the problem fairly. The fall and can't go over terrain can make transport difficult. If the load is not balanced, the truck can get unbalanced or on steep slopes. It's difficult without a digger. It's a tough job, but luckily he came to the rescue.